So now, okay, let's try it. It is noodle soup that is famous in here in this local. Yeah.
They made by local.
It's really delicious. I got a lot of feeling. Okay, it's in my mouth. Especially we have the mountain in our back. You see, it is a mountain, so beautiful mountain in here that we call.
We just claim Kampong Thai mountain.
Yeah, it is Kampung Dry Mountain. So how do you feel when you eat the noodle soup in front of the mountain like this? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Food to Asian. Today I found a local food. Yes, it is look really so interesting and also look it's really so yummy. This is noodle soup. Yeah. The location is in Kampung Dry Mountain. It is local food. The people in Cambodia like to eat it, especially for breakfast. Now it's cooking and make it for noodle soup. This is noodle. Wow, and it is a soup. Pork soup. This is a beef. Put some garlic and yes, fresh garlic. The restaurant is in front of the mountain. I think that it is the traditional soup in Cambodia, especially for the people like in this area like it so much. Yeah, okay. Yeah, wow. What do you think? It is good, right? Oh, wow.
Beef with pork.
Yeah, especially it is in front of the mountain.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, so this place is really interesting, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Wow. Show me the mountain. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
On my mouth.
Oh my God. Wow. That is a mountain. Yeah.
And here
It is
is sakura.
no, that's not sakura. It's gawa.
Gava.
Gavas, but gavas. In Cambodia we call it gavas forest. Or forest gava, like that. So this is the mountain, and it is the noodle soup. Wow! If you eat here, it is really fresh, right? Yeah. Can you eat some?
No, we have chopsticks.
No, the chopsticks just because
no,
it's your.
it's not. It's not. It's not good.
Wow! Oh my God! Hi guys, welcome back. Now we are continue our eating
Our
soup.
street food.
Yeah. Especially we have the mountain in our back. You see, it is a mountain, so beautiful mountain in here that we call.
We just claim Kampong Thai mountain.
Yeah, it is Kampung Dry Mountain. So how do you feel when you eat the noodle soup in front of the mountain like this?
It's amazing for me.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh my God. Now we let's try it. I put some sauce. It is sugar.
Yeah. It's my dish.
Some chili sauce. That Cambodian people like to eat so much. Add some lemon. Some more, yeah. This is chili sauce, Cambodian chili sauce.
Soy sauce.
And this one is soy sauce. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh, some tắc xỉu tím á. Yeah. And then we mix it together like this. Wow.
Thai mountain is not far from the Phnom Penh city. So, yes, you can come to join and visit here. We have a local street and we have mountain, beautiful mountain that we just climbed yesterday evening, and so amazing.
So it means that when you come to visit here in Kampong Trai Mountain, it's not just eat only food or noodle soup. You can eat the best of view in here or the best of the landscape in here. Yeah. So now, okay, let's try it. It is noodle soup. That is famous in here in this local. Yeah.
They made by local.
It's really delicious. I got a lot of feeling. Okay, it's in my mouth. Yeah. Oh my god. Thực trạng pin món này, wow. Yeah. Okay. And this is the pork soup. This
I mix together
pork bone.
beef and pork.
Wow. And you will see some people are on the road because now we are sitting in front of the mountain and this is the road that people are crossing. Yeah. And you see this so beautiful. And here, the mountain is so long. Yeah. And this is the shop. You see here a lot of people that are sitting here. Yeah, wow.
The owner.
Yeah, the owner and there are a lot of people that come to eat for noodle soup.
It's not only soup. We have rice.
Fried
We have fried rice.
Fried rice with pork.
With pork.
Fried pork อะไรเนี่ย
Sorry. Yeah. We some forgot too.
No. Wow. Okay.
No? You see, it's like I belong along the mountain, so now we buy it.
Yeah, this is the safe eye, so let's go to see. We have for the 2 glass. Yeah. This is Cambodia safe eye, or we call the got shoes. Wow. Oh. Oh, yes. Oh my god. Okay, let's one more. Nó xong cạn đồn đã bị bay hồng này. This is Cambodia chef. Mà các bạn bỏng? 1 glass just only 2,000 real. Wow, yeah. You see, here's sandwich and the got in Cambodia we call the got it's called now tom chit, and this it means that this sewai is used with palm sugar. That is your natural sugars. Hiện thi mày vô tích. Yeah.
It's mine?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sometimes anh phong một time à.
Đan lên miếng bông.
Yeah.
Oh. Yes. How it was? Cool?
Fresh
Yeah.
and sweet.
Yeah. Especially one glass only 2,000 real for Cambodia self eye. Yeah. So okay, let's go to eat together.
Cool. But nice. The taste is very nice.
Yeah. You see inside here. Just only 2,000 real or 50 cents.
After we finish our soup, and then we keep going. These glasses. So sweet. We have crab tea. You know crab tea?
It is
You know crab tea? What is it called?
the basket seed.
Crab tea.
Nếu ai cho tập tham lại hội thượng.
Wow.
Green bean, like here.
Red bean.
And coconut. So sweet.
Hey, bye bye. See you for my other video. Okay, bye bye.